Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. This is my holiday marathon for the month of December. Today we have another advent calendar. This is the Ulta 24 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. It was $79. I think I paid like $55 for it, and it's supposed to have a $264 value. If you are new to my advent calendar unboxings, when I am kind of giving a rating, and keep in mind it's all in fun, I am looking at the actual packaging. I think it's cute. It actually feels pretty weighted and stuff like that. I am looking at ease of use. Is it easy enough for me to get in and out of? Is the whole thing kind of falling apart as I'm trying to get into the different doors or whatever the case may be? And I note that for people maybe like me that have hand weakness, finger weakness, you know, dexterity issues, things like that. And then of course, do I feel like I've gotten my overall value, you know, based on the contents inside. I like that this does not overtly scream holiday or Christmas. I have said this many times. I'm fine with either way. Like, I like all the bells and the whistles and holiday and red and green, the gold and all the things, but I also like this. I do feel like something like this tends to be a little bit more inclusive. We could also use this for someone who maybe does not celebrate the holidays, maybe somebody that's doing it for a birthday gift or something like that. So I like it either way. I wish I had a way to hold this open over here for you guys so you guys could kind of see each day as I'm going, but I cannot do that. Let me see. I don't know if it's two separate boxes or one thing, or if this is a sleeve. Okay, that is a sleeve. Oh, something smells good. Oh my goodness. Again, it feels nice and weighted. Okay, give you guys a little peek here. Alrighty. Number one is right here. Super easy. The grip is definitely easy enough for me to get into. And then the little grip here is easy enough. I think it's just awkward by the way that I'm trying to hold it. But I'm already seeing some Sol de Janeiro, which makes me happy. And I've not tried this yet. This is the Beija Flor Elastic Cream, the Charosa 68. So I feel like already starting off with a bang. I don't mind that at all. Number two is over here. I'm gonna try to figure out a different way to do this. Maybe my husband can help me kind of figure something out for maybe next year so that I can kind of show it. I think it would be fun for me to actually be able to like physically show you the calendar as I'm going. Again, it did kind of tear away easy, and the grips are large enough for me to get in there. This is the Sunday Riley CEO Brightening Serum. Okay. Number three. Again, really easy. All right, we have the Moroccan oil treatment oil. Of course, that is a hair oil, and I do use hair oils quite frequently, so I'm not mad at that. I'd like to see some full sizes in here, and because I don't like spoilers, I want to be completely surprised. I want to open it in real time with you guys. I do not know if this has a lot of full-size products in it or not, but right now, based on this, I don't know that I'm seeing $300 or $250 worth of value yet. Alrighty, number four is over here. I hope you guys are well. Do you guys enjoy advent calendars? Are you not a fan? Okay. Next up is the Belief Super Drops Niacinamide Golden Glow Serum. Ooh, improves skin radiance instantly. I have used the Belief Aqua Bomb many, many times throughout the years. I feel like it was always a staple, or kind of is a staple in advent calendars, subscription boxes, things like that. Day number 5 is right here. Ooh, what are you? This is the DV Scalp Serum. Revitalize and detoxify, improves appearance of thin hair, nourishes your hair follicles, and detoxifies product buildup. And with a beauty advent calendar, I like to see a variety of hair, skin, makeup, nails, whatever the case may be. So I like the variety thus far. I'm missing some makeup. Number 6 is right here. Oh, And then they were listening to me apparently. This is the e.l.f. Lash Extender Length and Definition Mascara. I do not believe that is a full size, so I want to see more full sizes than that. Number 7 is a larger door right here. Ooh, I already have this and I love it. I haven't worn it quite as much right now because for me it's more of a summer scent. This is the Kopari Canopoli Coast with sweet coconut milk and vanilla hair and body mist. It is currently in my rotation. It's in my bathroom. Again, it's in my opinion more of a summer fragrance, but I love it. Okay, number 8 is right here. Ooh, seeing some Tatcha. I'm weird about Tatcha. Like, I like the products that I've tried overall, other than like the rice milk cleanser thing, but I do not like the way they smell. And I know that sounds crazy, but I just don't. I'm having a little bit of a harder time getting this one out of here. This is the Tatcha the Water Cream. Getting some really good kind of, you know, well-known, loved, and trusted brands in here, so that's nice. Day number 9 is right here. All right, we have something from Dermalogica. This is the Special Cleansing Gel. Still getting a bunch of minis. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Number 10 is a teeny tiny little skinny door over here. Oh, pretty. This is the Milani Stay Put Liquid Lip in a beautiful red shade. I actually have one of the plumping, let me grab it real quick. One of the plumping glosses. That's going to be super beautiful with that. And this, I'm going to go ahead and say, is a full size. Alrighty. Number 11. Maybe we have an eyeshadow. Maybe we're going to start getting a little bit more makeup, y'all. Maybe. Nice. Okay, we have the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm. I think that is a full size, or I know that they at least sell that size. It is 1 full ounce. Number 12 is right here. Oh yes, one of my favorite brands. Y'all have heard me rave about them for a long time, y'all. Look, I'm getting more crooked and crooked and crooked. Hey y'all, there we go. Sorry about that, you guys. This is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. I've actually been seeing a ton of Supergoop throughout like the advent calendars and stuff that I've done so far. I'm not mad at it though. I really love the brand. All right, number 13 is right here. And if you're curious about the eye look, this is the brand new Mostly Merry palette from Gourmande Girls. This was gifted. And I love it. I think it's so incredibly beautiful. And I love the look that I created. All right, number 13. Another staple, I feel like. This is the Olaplex number 5 Leave-In Moisture and Mend Leave-In Conditioner. Again, I want to see some full sizes. Number 14 is another skinnier door over here. This is the Ulta Beauty Collection Lash Flash Tubing Mascara. And not that there's anything wrong with that, but they did already give us an e.l.f. one, and that's already kind of more affordable as well. And then, of course, you know, the Ulta collection is also more affordable. Okay. I'm going to reserve my judgment for right now. Number 15 is right here. Comment down below, though, and let me know what you guys think so far. Like, let me know what day we're on when you're currently watching this and commenting, and let me know what you think so far. Next up is the Tula Skincare The Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. If you do have very sensitive, very reactive skin like your girl right here, Tula is phenomenal. Okay. 16 is right here. Ooh, okay, not mad at that. We have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Liner in the shade Rosewood. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Alrighty, number 17 is right here. I do like, at least with the minis, specifically because I got it on sale for like $55. With the minis, I like that there's enough here that we can try several different brands, different products and stuff. This is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I have also used this in the past. Alrighty, number 18 is right here. This is the Paul Mitchell Clear, the Smoothing Serum Sensitive Frizz Control and Split End Serum. That sounds nice. And I do like that part of it. We're getting some body care, some skin care, some makeup, some stuff for our hair. So I like the variation. I don't know if I'm liking the sizes of everything. Number 19 is right here. Another classic product. I think this is, no, I don't think this is full size. It's the Osea, the Undaria Algae Body Oil. That little thing feels nice and heavy though. Alrighty, number 20 is right here. Alright, we have something from Peach and Lily. This is the Glass Skin Face Polisher. Okay, number 21 is right here. Alright, we have an itty bitty little baby beauty blender. Okay, 22 is very, 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 very small. This is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I'm actually using up some that they sent me, and it is great. It's very thick, very rich, very intense. I like the variation. Looking in front of me, I like the variation of things. I like that we have a lot of, like, you know, heavy hitters, brands that we all know and love and stuff like that. And again, I didn't look to see if there was a lot of full sizes, but clearly there are not. Number 23 is right here. Alright, another staple I feel like in Advents and subscription boxes, the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Alrighty, number 24, does it go 24 or 25? I think 24, right? Yeah, okay, this is our last day, day 24. Alright, we have a Charlotte Tilbury, the Matte Revolution Luminous Modern Matte Long-Lasting Lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. And it is a little mini. Let me grab the box and kind of show it to y'all, because on the back it did kind of let us know. So let me just get up close for y'all. Okay, had I spent $79 on this, I might be a little bit upset. Again, I think I paid like $55 for it. At the $55, based on what I'm looking at right now, I'm gonna give it like a 4 out of 5. And I'm only saying that because even some of the more affordable ones, I was a little bit more kind of excited about. Now, do I think that if you're brand new to the game, you're brand new to the beauty spectrum and stuff like that, and you want to try as many products as you possibly can, you know, in one place, specifically if you got it for $55, I don't think you'd be disappointed. In terms of that, you know, I'm looking at Olaplex, Fresh, Elemis, Charlotte Tilbury, Tula. I'm looking at Kopari. I'm looking at, you know, Sol de Janeiro. I'm looking at some Tatcha. So I think that in terms of that, the variety here excites me. I wish we had a little bit more full sizes. I think that's probably my only thing. But I do like the fact that we have some fragrance, we have some hair, some makeup, some skin and stuff like that. I do also like, in terms of it not being so makeup heavy, if you will, I think that a classic red anybody can use, and I think the chocolate brown anybody can use, so I like that. I like that it's a more inclusive type of a, you know, an advent calendar. And I do like that we got a ton of different name brands. I just, for $55, I'm okay with it. $79, I might be upset. So I'm kind of, I don't know. I don't know how helpful that's going to be to you guys. I would like to hear from you guys, though. Do you guys feel like for $79, how would you feel? for the $55 price point, how would you feel? And does that sway you any, you know, looking at $55 versus $79? Visually looking at this stuff, I don't see $264 worth. And I'm only saying that because if I was getting $264 worth, I'd rather spend the money myself and buy like that thing I've been craving. You know what I'm saying? Like that wish list product. Yeah, that is it. That is the Ulta 24 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. I would like to know what you guys feel about this. Definitely comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you guys are having the most amazing holiday season. And thank you. Thank you for taking the time to come and watch. Thank you for coming into my space. Thank you for allowing me into your space. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.